What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Thank you for tuning in. I got a good one for you today. For those of you who are new, my name's Eric and this is my channel, man. Today I'm gonna go over my suspension on my S550 Mustang. This video came about because I was out with my buddies and I was hooking it and I was gripping all over the place, and they're like, man, what did you do to it? So I explained to them that I basically revamped the whole rear end suspension and even including the front. So I'm gonna go over everything I got in this thing. I'm gonna install my IRS Steeda braces, which I think are gonna make a huge improvement in it, in addition to what it already does. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go over it. Stay tuned for it. If you got any questions, ask me. I'll try to be as clear and as specific as possible what I got in here, and I hope you guys enjoy it, man. Just go a little slower this time. All right, guys, what's up? So let's begin with my tires, right? It's kind of like the first thing, most important thing, right? That's the only thing between the ground and our car is the tire. I have some in the rear. I have some Mickey Thompson's ET Street R's bias ply street legal tire on a 17-inch JMS drag wheel. These wheels are unbelievably light, guys. I went from a 20-inch Shelby wheel, which I still have, but to these, oh my god, the rotating mass in this is huge different. So that's what I have to start. I've been driving on this. I don't want to say I drive on this every day because I got other forms of transportation, but look, these things are looking crisp. These things grip. And the good thing is that you're not gonna get pulled over driving and be like, hey, cops, they're illegal. No, they're not, bro. They're street legal. So there we go. Start off with that. All right, guys, let's get right to it. I showed you the tires. Now let's go over what I got in here. So I got the Steeda billet vertical link right here. I got the adjustable Steeda toe link right there, nice and beefy, with the upgraded Delrin bushing in here that you got to press out the arm and put in new. I have a Steeda adjustable cambered arm with Delrin bushings at the end of it. Great. I think right here is spherical. I have Right-Take air suspension, which I love. Best decision I ever made. One of the best decisions I ever made for the Mustang. I love these things. I can go rip it. I can hit the canes. I can drag it. I can do whatever I want with it, and then I can go and take pictures and slam the sucker. So I love them. Next, I have the rear Steeda sway bar with poly bushing mounts with the billet mount. And then I have a GT350 axle, which is good for what I need it for. And I have, where the money is made, I think, with my suspension, is these poly bushing mounts right there. Body mounts right there. I also have poly bushing mounts on my differential. That's the reason why I went. Why I went was because I broke these bolts right here. Those bolts gave out on me on my original differential rubber. So the rubber was taken out, put in with these poly mounts. Same over here. All poly, right? I got an aluminum drive shaft, iron housing 355 differential, and my biggest favorite, which I think makes a huge difference. It's in here, in this control arm here. I have a Steeda spherical bearing right in there, both sides. That right there alone, I think it's a big upgrade. Obviously, I did everything I just went over together because I was like, I'm already in there. I already broke my differential bushing because I think it had too much play. So I'm like, you know what, let me do it right. And let me change everything I need to change. Do you maybe have to do that? Probably not. But I'm like, you know what, I love this car anyways. Why not invest the best I can into it, at least in my eyes, and I'll be happy. So what I'm putting on next, in addition to that, which I think should help out, is these Steeda IRS braces right here. So I'm gonna put these on right now, and I'm gonna see how that thing handles. But overall, guys, please don't feel scared to just ask me some questions, man. Shoot me some comments. I'll try to be as specific more as possible, and it'll help some other people out too if we message in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, help me out. But yeah, that way we can start a conversation on all the suspension and we can answer some stuff. All right, guys, I'm underneath the car. I'm gonna try to record as much as good as I possibly can. So if you ever get these Steeda IRS braces, it can be a little tricky at first. The end of it bolts on right here. Boom, boom. Another end of it bolts on right there. Boom. Right, the middle part. And then the part that connects to the subframe connects right here into these two holes. It comes with the hardware needed to connect. Right there, guys. Not very hard to do. You gotta get underneath the car and move your body around a little bit. All right, my dudes. So I went over what's current suspension I have in here. Is basically got all my stuff from Steeda. Great guys over there, man. Call them up. I always call them up and they help me out on whatever I need. Anyways, I just put in my Steeda IRS base braces. There's the other one. Mounts right on here to the subframe. The other part right to this bracket where the body mount is. Basically still the subframe. And then over there it connects onto the mount. To the body itself. All right, so there's the Steeda IRS braces, guys. All right, guys, there was a quick rundown of my suspension. Obviously I can get more into detail, but like I said, go ahead and comment. You got any questions, go ahead and hit me back up. I do have some future mods I want to put. I still got a front sway bar I want to put in. I got the sway bar mounts with poly bushings in that. I got my front control arm bushings for that. So I still got some few more things. But in the meanwhile, I'm gonna go try this thing out, see how this thing handles. And yep, stay tuned for the next one, man. And don't forget to like and subscribe.